So there's studies out there that show that 80 some odd percent of all companies want to adopt AI, and 99% of them have no idea how to, because adoption is a human exercise. And you have a lot of snake oil salesmen out there telling them they know how to figure it out for them. And that's like, you can't.
Yeah.
There's no way for everybody to be an expert overnight.
Yeah. Agreed.
Now you might be able to piece a couple of things together, but you're not going to be able to future-proof that. So now people are spending tens of thousands of dollars to integrate AI into their system, and that AI is going to be out of date in 6 months.
Yep.
So me personally, we use AI every day. I mean, we're building out our client portal that will have AI available to our clients so that when they want to get something done internally, because we're fractional leaders, like we're not sitting there writing their social media posts, but we can get AI to help them write their own on a regular basis and have all the things that we would need them to do.